How to fully turn off sleep focus mode on iPhone. The first thing you have to do, guys, is to come to the home screen and swipe down like this to access the control center. Tap on this button. Now, if you see this button that is just like bed, guys, tap on this one, any of these to remove that. That indicate that this is not in focus mode. Now, to completely remove the focus mode on your iPhone, tap on it again, then tap on these three dots, then tap on settings. It takes you down to the settings. Now scroll down to this place, tap on delete this button, tap on delete. By doing that, guys, you've been able to remove the focus mode from your iPhone. Now you've been able to remove the focus mode from your iPhone. Swipe down again from the control center, then tap on this button again. You can see that the sleep mode is no more available here. That's all, guys. You've been able to delete or complete on off focus mode on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.